Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the HireApp Pro, Workforce and Hiring Management app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. HireApp Pro is a workforce management and hiring tool designed to help businesses streamline their recruitment, scheduling, and day-to-day staff operations. The app allows employers to post jobs, review applicants, assign shifts, track employee hours, and communicate with their team in real time. Workers can apply for available roles, clock in and out, check schedules, and receive updates directly through the app. It's available on both iOS and Android and is used by businesses ranging from small teams to large staffing operations. The app's main feature is its combined hiring and scheduling system. Employers can manage job postings, applicant screening, and shift assignments from one dashboard. Employees benefit from simple time tracking tools, earnings visibility, and notifications that keep them updated about schedule changes or shift requests. Built-in communication tools help reduce confusion and streamline operations across teams. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate how the app reduces paperwork, speeds up hiring, and keeps both managers and workers aligned. Shift reminders, automated hour tracking, and easy job applications make it practical for fast-paced work environments. Employers also value its ability to manage large teams without manual tracking. However, there are some drawbacks. Certain advanced features require a paid plan, and some users report occasional glitches with shift notifications or syncing. New users may also face a learning curve, especially when navigating the full scheduling and workforce tools. In addition, the app's performance can depend on company setup and administrative permissions, which may vary. In summary, the HireApp Pro app may be worth using if you want an organized, efficient way to manage hiring, shifts, time tracking, and team communication in one place. However, if your needs are very basic or you prefer manual tracking systems, the full feature set may not feel essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.